Yeah. Wait. Okay, what?
Right, hi guys, this is me with my lovely hosts
Very ugly.
who are getting me to eat, what's it called?
Balut!
Balut. So balut is an egg
With
and salt.
and vinegar.
Oh, and vinegar. I didn't realize the vinegar was part of it. So now, there's a trick to this because inside the egg is a chicken apparently. And I have to eat the
Not
chicken.
a chicken, it's chicks.
Oh, okay, it's a chick.
Yeah.
Okay, I've eaten chicks before, but I don't think this type of chick. So I have
So
to.
Gary, come on. Oh Gary, that's not the way of
How?
cracking the
How?
egg. You have to crack at the
the end.
This one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this
There.
one. Be
Right.
careful because there's a sauce inside.
So peel
Okay,
it.
so I've got to crack that. You see that? You've got to crack it at the end. I try to crack it there. And then you peel it, there's a sauce inside. Okay, so now the baby chicken comes.
Courtesy of the San Miguel Pilsen, come on.
Yeah,
Give us a,
and the San Miguel Pilsner, just in case.
yeah.
I think there might be a rabbit in this hat.
Oh, not the way I'll help you.
Yeah.
Open like that. Oh, be careful.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
there.
Then slurp.
zip.
Okay.
Slurp. I don't
So
know.
guys, just so you can see, there's a baby chicken in there. There really is. So now I have to sip, yes?
Yeah.
Is this blood or what?
No, none. You will never know.
It tastes good. You want me to close your eyes? How is it?
It's like gravy.
Gravy?
Yeah.
So,
it's not bad.
Gary originally from
like
UK.
gravy. No, originally from Africa, but I
From
lived in the
original
UK a
Africa,
long
but he
time.
lives in the UK.
That's why
So
I
he's
eat
not
this shit.
African in. Stop it! I cannot cut that. You're live. Joke.
I'm lying. Yay!
Yeah.
Right, so
Remove all
inside here,
the shell, yeah.
I'm trying for two cameras here, is a baby chicken. There really is, sort of.
It's 16. Is it 16
days.
years?
16 days, so 16-day-old baby chicken.
There's a baby chicken.
There we go.
You have to eat them, huh? No escape.
Okay. That's
There's
the
a
baby
hard one.
chicken.
This one, the hard one. Oh.
I don't know, it's got dodgy bits there, but we'll give this a go.
You
Doc.
have to put vinegar if you want.
What, I put vinegar on
Yes,
top?
of course, and salt. Mix with salt.
Okay, vinegar,
A little salt.
a little bit
A
of
little.
salt,
No, that's a lot. You're really English.
a little bit of salt.
You are in.
One.
Now, do I swallow the whole thing?
No, just of course
Take
you have
a bite.
to chew them. The type.
That's not bad, actually.
Oh, yes!
It's not like a dead fermented chicken like you'd expect.
Okay.
I thought it'd be like a dead fermented chicken. It's actually quite gravy-like. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like gravy, guys. You should try this.
You're squeezing them.
And then there's this hard bit. I don't know what that is. It's like a
I
shell.
think that's the backbone. The backbone. When you become a chicks.
Actually, a lot better than I expected.
Okay.
It's certainly better than insects that I ate in Thailand.
Yeah, insect in Thailand, right?
It's sort of squishy. It's a squishy flavour.
Yeah. And then good. I
Or
think so.
squishy texture.
So next time I want you to eat 18 days to 21 days.
Let's.
I like eating them when they're like full chickens.
Okay, that's good. With
Cool.
a feather. And then
Yeah.
Good. I tried that one. It was.
What's wrong with eating cock? Eh?
I was traumatized.
Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.